Imagine a world where traditional weapons are replaced by energy beams capable of neutralizing threats in an instant. Sounds like science fiction, right? But Tesla is bringing that vision closer to reality with its revolutionary laser-based defense system. The same company that transformed the automotive and energy industries is now betting on high-powered lasers to change the future of security and defense. How does Tesla's laser system work? And could it redefine the way we protect vehicles, infrastructure, and even entire cities? Tesla's innovation in laser technology began with the idea of using high-powered beams to eliminate threats without the need for conventional ammunition. Unlike missiles or bullets, which require physical storage and can be costly to deploy, Tesla's laser defense system uses energy-based interception, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. The system integrates advanced sensors and AI-driven tracking to lock onto potential threats, including drones, projectiles, and even debris that could pose a risk to autonomous vehicles and critical infrastructure. One of the most impressive aspects of Tesla's laser defense system is its precision. Reports suggest that its targeting capability allows it to focus a beam with pinpoint accuracy from kilometers away. This level of precision means that even the smallest threats, such as incoming micro-drones or fast-moving projectiles, can be neutralized without causing collateral damage. Unlike traditional defense methods which rely on explosive force, Tesla's laser system can disable threats by overheating or disrupting their critical components, making it a safer and more controlled option. The cost advantage of Tesla's system is another game changer. While traditional missile-based defense systems cost hundreds of thousands of dollars per interception, Tesla's laser system operates for just a fraction of that price, potentially as low as a few dollars per shot. This affordability makes it an attractive option not just for military applications, but also for commercial and civilian use. Imagine a future where Tesla vehicles come equipped with anti-theft laser defenses, or where city infrastructures are protected by automated laser grids capable of stopping threats before they materialize. However, laser technology isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest limitations is its effectiveness in bad weather. Rain, fog, or dust can scatter and weaken the beam, reducing its range and power. Additionally, the laser requires a continuous lock on the target for a few seconds to be effective, making it less suitable for high-speed threats that move unpredictably. These challenges mean that Tesla's laser defense system will likely be integrated with other security measures, such as AI-powered surveillance and kinetic defense systems, to create a more comprehensive protection network. Tesla has been working on scaling up the power of its laser systems, with recent prototypes demonstrating output levels of over 100 kilowatts. This level of power allows the system to take down drones, rockets, and even larger threats at greater distances. The key to making this technology practical lies in Tesla's expertise in energy storage and efficiency. By leveraging high-capacity battery technology and advanced power management, Tesla is overcoming one of the biggest obstacles in laser weaponry: consistent and portable power supply. In addition to vehicle and infrastructure defense, Tesla is also exploring the potential of laser technology for space applications. Space debris poses a growing threat to satellites and space missions, and Tesla's laser systems could provide a solution by either vaporizing small debris or pushing larger objects out of collision paths. This development aligns with Elon Musk's broader vision of space exploration and planetary defense, ensuring that future missions to Mars and beyond remain protected from unforeseen dangers. The idea of laser-based defense is not entirely new, but Tesla's approach sets it apart. By combining cutting-edge AI, energy efficiency, and advanced optics, the company is taking a once theoretical concept and turning it into a practical solution. Whether for defending autonomous vehicles from potential hazards or creating a network of laser-powered shields for smart cities, Tesla's laser technology is poised to reshape how we think about security. While laser weapons may not replace conventional defenses overnight, their potential is undeniable. As Tesla continues to refine its systems and push the boundaries of what's possible, we may soon live in a world where threats are neutralized at the speed of light. Will Tesla's laser defense system become the new standard for security? The future may arrive sooner than we think.